R2 Digital Library contains reference ebooks for students in the health sciences programs at Franklin Pierce. This video will show you how to access ebooks in R2 and how to add content from R2 ebooks into your Canvas course. To get to R2, head to the DePetro Library homepage. Click on the Databases link on the left side of the page. On the following page, select R at the top of the page and click R2 Digital Library. You'll be brought to a page where you can browse titles within R2 by discipline. Let's look at some of the titles listed for physical therapy. You have the option of viewing both current ebooks as well as archived older editions. If you only want to view current textbooks, select the Active button on the left side of the page. Let's take a look at the Comprehensive Manual of Therapeutic Exercises. Beneath a summary of the book is the table of contents. Clicking the plus sign next to a chapter name will show its contents. We'll click the plus sign next to Chapter 3, Thoracic Exercises, and select Thoracic Range of Motion. You have several options for saving this information. Using the Tools link at the top of the page, you can email this item to yourself. You can also bookmark the page in R2 by selecting Save a Bookmark, which will save the item in a folder you can access whenever you visit the site. If you're a faculty member who would like to include a chapter from an R2 textbook into your Canvas course, copy the URL for the chapter you want to include, then head to your Canvas course. In your Canvas course, find the module in which you want the chapter to appear, click the plus sign at the top of the module, select External URL, and paste the web address you just copied. Be sure to include a page name as well. Then click Add Item. Now, when you click on that link in your module, the information from R2 will appear embedded within your course. If you have questions or would like help using R2 Digital Library, you can reach DePetro Library at 603-899-4140 via text at 603-413-2787, via email at reference@franklinpierce.edu, or by using the Chat with a Librarian feature on the DePetro Library homepage.